Yo, bro, no way, a desert temple. All right, let's just mine right here. All right. Oh my gosh. Oh, grab. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Oh, oh my gosh. Bro, how did I survive that, bro? Okay, bro, a jungle temple. All right, let's just
Yo, how do I solve this, bro? Oh wait, yo, oh I got it. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Bro, there's arrows in here. Oh, okay. Yo.
Okay, bro, I'm in the end. Okay, let me.
Go fight the Ender Dragon, dude. Like, I need to go kill the Ender Dragon if I want to be able to beat the game. So, I'm gonna have to murder it the way Mojang wants me to, bro. I'll have to find a way to kill the Ender Dragon. Dude, like, if I can't find a way to kill the Ender Dragon, that'd be so embarrassing, bro. I really need to find a way to kill the Ender Dragon.
Okay. Let me get across. Ooh, let me get across this gap, bro.
Alright, let me just bridge across here real quick. Let me get across here. You need to get...